Hey guys, it's Ben, and in this video I thought I'd show you a solve that I did on my recent puzzle, the Alpha Cube, that I presented about 2 weeks ago. Now, while I'm scrambling this puzzle, I would like to remind all of you that I will be selling a copy of this puzzle very soon, probably the end of January or so. I still have the puzzle assembled and everything, I just need to finish the stickering and such, and then I will offer it. I will probably offer it through the Twisty Puzzles forum, so if you're interested, just please check there near the end of the month, and my post should be there at that point. Just about finished with scrambling right here. Now the puzzle is scrambled and ready to go. And of course here I am inspecting the puzzle. And ready to start. Now the way that I solve this puzzle is in multiple steps. The first thing that I try and do is get the puzzle back into its original shape, the cube shape. That way I can use just 120 degree moves rather than those 60 degree moves to fully solve the puzzle, and it also makes it a little bit easier to recognize some of the pieces later on as well. So first what I try to do is get it into a goal shape, and then from that position using a sequence of moves to get it into the original cube shape. So here I am in the goal shape now, and at this point I just apply the sequence and it'll get the puzzle back into a cube as you see here. So now I offset the deep cut by 120 degrees, and this will keep the puzzle shape as I continue to solve it. So now at this point it's basically a layer by layer solve. So the first thing I do is the very first corner layer, like this. As you can see, the first corner there is done. And then I move on to the layer right above it, and I continue doing this until I get the second layer solved as well. Second layer is a little bit more difficult than the first layer, and mainly because it's a little bit harder to find the pieces, and also because you have to make sure that the first layer maintains its orientation and solved state after the moves that you apply when solving the second layer. Overall, it's not that difficult though. Sorry, the puzzle's out of frame in some points. It's kind of difficult to look at four pieces and also to keep the puzzle in frame. Alright, so right here I'm finishing the second layer now. And there we go, the first two layers are now solved. Now for the last two layers, it's all algorithm based. And from this case that I can see here, I need to apply two algorithms. Now I only use one algorithm to solve this puzzle, and it's a bit long, as you'll see here. It can be anywhere from 20 to 24 moves long depending on the particular layer that I'm solving, because I need to sometimes keep some layers constantly oriented properly. There's the first iteration. Now I can use this algorithm to solve either piece type that I want to. I can solve the pointy pieces, or the outer edge pieces, or the wedge pieces, or even this jutting out pieces in the other layers. I can also apply the algorithm to any number of layers, both of the top and middle layers, or just the top layer, or just the middle layer as well. So this algorithm makes solving the puzzle very flexible. And we're just about done. And there we have it. The puzzle is now solved. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. One thing I have a very exciting announcement is that I'll be presenting a new puzzle pretty soon. I'm getting one printed from iMaterialize. This is the first time I'm printing, and I think you guys will be very pleased to see what puzzle it is. I've been looking forward to making a puzzle like this for a long time. So anyway, that's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.